Hi there, students. Hermetic. Hermetic. This is an adjective meaning that something is completely sealed against air entering or escaping. So you know these containers, yeah? Well, when you seal them, then everything inside is sealed in hermetically, yeah? So hermetically. It's hermetically sealed. Air can't get in or get out. For example, if you have a gas boiler, it needs to be hermetic, as in the gases can't get into the house. It needs to be sealed against entry or exit of air inside the house. You can then also use this metaphorically. You could say a group of people are hermetic. Yeah. There's no communication with the outside, or there's no external influence. So, for example, the hermetic confines of living in a monastery. If you live in a monastery, there's almost no interference or influence from the outside world. So, hermetic, impervious to outside influence. Okay, so you seal something hermetically, yeah, completely airtight. A hermetic seal that makes sure something is completely waterproof. If you've got one of these underwater cameras, it needs to be hermetic so that nothing can get in or get out. And that's the idea of hermetic. Yeah, completely sealed, airtight, sealed, shut, waterproof, watertight. And then a hermetic society, or maybe some worlds in business are very hermetic. They're almost impossible to get into or to influence from the outside. Yeah, it's totally separate from other people and other things in society. So maybe the film industry operates in a very hermetic way. It does what it wants to do. Yeah, so it's isolated and solitary, and it's hidden and protected from the outside world. Now, let's go to the origin and the other meaning of hermetic. Hermetic, something that belongs to alchemy or occult practices, magical, from alchemy. Now, the origin of this word comes from medieval Latin hermeticus, which comes from Hermes Trismegistus. Now, you have the Hermetic philosophy or Hermeticism, yeah, and this is the belief that the most ancient of sages or wise people were given the true philosophy by God, that the original humans on the earth were told the true philosophy of life and the true way to live. And one of the people that they thought understood this was Hermes Trismegistus, okay, who was a legendary Hellenistic feature or figure. Yeah, he was effectively, he came from a combination of Hermes, the Greek god, and the Egyptian god Thoth. And supposedly he wrote a book called Hermetica, or various things called Hermetica, which were texts that gave various philosophical wisdom. And this is the wisdom of antiquity handed down by God. Hermeticism is linked to, for example, the Kabbalah, to alchemy, more the philosophical side of alchemy, and this is the idea of hermetic. Yeah. Maybe Plato, Pythagoras, Zoroaster. These are all people who still had some knowledge of what was considered to be the most ancient of writings and the ancient theology. And that's where the word Hermetic actually comes from. But nowadays, we use this word Hermetic to mean hermetically sealed. Yeah. So, well, does this have a hermetic seal? Yeah, it does. I squeeze it and no air comes in or comes out. Yeah. So Tupperware is supposed to be hermetic. You see, finally, I gave the brand name. Yeah, and then a hermetic group of people. For example, I think maybe some secret societies are very hermetic. Yeah, they're isolated, or the hermetic life in a nunnery. So, as to formality, a hermetic seal, hermetically sealed. I think I'd give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use this informally. In an informal conversation anywhere. I think this metaphorical meaning of a hermetic group of people, I think this is a little bit more formal. I'd probably go 6.5 to 7 for that meaning in formality. I'd use it a semi-formal conversation, probably best in a semi-formal or formal writing. Okay, so enough Hermetic. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hermetic.